How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Mighty Quinn. So Popeyes has done it again, man. They have came out with these new Popeyes blackened chicken sandwiches. You have the original and the spicy. It's really no difference from the other, the original Popeyes chicken sandwiches. The only difference is that these don't have any breading. It's just the blackened seasoning that they have on there. Um, this is the original and this is the spicy, if I haven't said that already. Um, it's just a chicken sandwich with pickles and mayo. Same thing with the spicy. So let me dive into this original first. You see that it's pretty thick chicken. And oh, before I take a bite, be sure to like and subscribe. Do me that huge favor. Let's see. That looks good. Oh my God. Where do I even start? The problem, well, I don't want to say the problem, but sometimes, anytime you have blackened season, whether it's on chicken or fish, it can be a little too salty. This, not the case. And this chicken breast is thick and juicy and tender. Oh my goodness. Mm. I'm just having mayonnaise all over my face. That's good. Now, I'm more of a spice guy. I can only imagine how this tastes. I'm so happy right now. You know what I like about this? It's not as heavy as the Popeyes fried chicken sandwich. It's almost like as far as the chicken go and the breading, I mean there is none, but it's almost like eating Chick-fil-A. This is so good. The mayonnaise will not stop coming. I don't know if this is for a limited time, but I would hope not. Keep that on the menu. Man. I would love to put some, maybe some ranch on this. Spicy chicken sandwich. Same as the regular. See, you got that, I think that's that spicy mayo on it. Let's see. Maybe it was just the first bite. I can't really taste that mayo. Maybe I need to get more into that. Oh yeah. Oh. Picking up on the spice now. But do I like that better than the original? I don't know. I'm I don't know, I'm kind of liking the original more. It's not bad, but that chicken breast. It is so tender. You know, anything Popeyes bring out, I just have to get it. It's always good. They had a fish sandwich before. I think it was cod. That was stupid good. Do they still have it? Not sure. I should really get some napkins. Eating like a pig. But that's how I eat off camera. Hmm. Oh. Mm. I don't even know what to say. I'm just enjoying this. Like, I do not want to do any talking. But, uh, I really like the spice on this. But, and I can't believe I'm going to say this, I kind of like the original a little better. Mm. I don't want this to end. Last bite. That was good, man. I enjoyed the hell out of that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Oh, I want to thank y'all so much for the support of my last two videos. Those did some really good numbers. Gained a lot of subscribers, and for those of you that are new here, welcome. Can't thank y'all enough, and it's very great to see this channel grow and seeing how much y'all love my content. But yeah, let's keep that going. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.